Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is All Things Decor Tabletop. This is an open collaboration, anyone can join. Just hashtag All Things Decor. Now this is hosted by Debbie Bubbles and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have a guest host, which is Creating with Miss K, and several co-hosts. We have Decorating with Jazzy Green, Deborah Cabasso Home Living, Designs with Emma, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Bondessa J, myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Now I've decorated two tables, one there in front of the window and this other one right here. So I'm going to show you how I decorated them step by step. So enjoy. Okay, here's the table. I'm going to start with a peacock lamp that I thrifted. And then I have this grassy arrangement. I think it's very wispy, and I like the little burlap wrapped around it. And then next I'm going to be adding a 3-stacked white pumpkin with a gold stem. Next I have, it's a little cloche with a rattan orange pumpkin inside. And then I have some fall leaves. I'm just going to place them strategically, and then another little orange pumpkin. And then on the other side of the table, I have this pumpkin print that I framed myself. The pumpkin print I got on Amazon. And then I have another cloche with a little glass pumpkin inside. And it is even lit up. Isn't that pretty? And then I have a little candle here that's in the shape of a pumpkin. And some more fall leaves and a little pumpkin pick. Okay, next I'm going to be adding a basket with some pumpkins in it for the bottom shelf. I'll be moving the camera so you can get a better look here in a second. And then I have a stack of books with a beige color rattan pumpkin on top. So I thought that made it look very nice. What do y'all think? Okay, now this is table number 2. And I'm going to start with this wire basket with a little lantern with an Edison bulb in it. And then I have all these acorns. I'm going to place those around the lantern. And then I'll be placing the little brown rattan pumpkin in the basket as well, along with a white pumpkin and a little fall pick. Okay, next I'm going to be adding this sign that says London, Paris, Rome, and New York. It's made to look like a vintage newspaper, and I framed it myself. Next, I have this white base with pampas grass in it, and I just added a bow to it. And here we have a little lantern with a candle in it, and I'll just place that in the middle toward the back. And I'm going to add another candle. So here's a look at table number 2. It's a very pretty table. It has these engravings with a marble top. So here's my basket with the lantern and all the acorns and my London, Paris, Rome sign and the pampas grass. And I do have this really pretty mirror above the table. And here is a chair that I have between the two tables with a fall pillow on it and a little throw. So here again was table number 1 with the pumpkins. So you have to let me know which one you like. Do you like the pumpkin table or the table with the acorns and the pampas grass? Now I did light the candles, which gave it all a nice glow. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank Anna and Debbie Bubbles for hosting this collaboration. And I want to thank the guest host and all the co-hosts. Be sure to check out the playlist and leave a comment and a like. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye for now.